Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn coordinate geometry of 10th standard exercise 7.1 problem number 5. In a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Here is the figure, but you can get the exact figure in the textbook. Please refer the textbook to get the exact picture. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. As per the figure, ABCD are four friends seated in a classroom, and Champa and Chameli went into the classroom, and after observing the sitting places of ABCD, Champa said that ABCD are seated in the position of the square, but Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Now, using the formula, we have to say whether the students ABCD seated in the shape of the square or not. It means who is correct, Champa or Chameli. Champa is saying they are seated in the square shape, but Chameli says no. Let's see who is correct in this problem. So as I said, if you observe the figure in the textbook, you will get the position of the ABCD in the graph sheet, and if you look carefully into the sheet given in the textbook, the position of A becomes 3 and 4. It means 3 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. Similarly, in the same way, B is 6, 7. It is the point x-axis is a 6 point and 7 point on the y-axis, and C 9 and 4, and D is 6, 1. So you can get these points by observing the coordinates of x and y and the graph sheet which is given in the textbook clearly. Let's start the answer. First I will take AB equals root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here A and B. I will write here A 3, 4 and B 6, 7. Let's substitute the values. x2, it is x1 3, y1 4, x2 6, y2 7. So you can start the answer as x2 6, x1 3 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 4 whole square, root of 6 minus 3 square plus 7 minus 4 3 square. Okay, then 3 square 9 plus 9, that is root 18. You can write 18 as 9 into 2. If we remove 9 out of the square roots, we can get 3 root 2. This is the answer for AB. Let's see BC. B and C, these are the coordinates. Apply the formula again. x2 means 9 minus x1 6 whole square plus y2 means 4 minus y1 means 7 whole square. Then 3 square plus 4 minus 7 means minus 3 whole square. Again 3 3s are 9 plus minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9. Again 9 plus 9 root 18. You can write it as 9 into 2. If we remove 9, it becomes 3 root 2. We got the answer for BC also. Now let's do CD. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is C equals 9, 4, D equals 6, 1. Apply x1 9, y1 4, x2 6, y2 1. x2 minus x1 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 9 means minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 4 means it is also minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square means that is 9. It is also 9. 9 plus 9 18. Again 9 into 2, again 3 root 2. We got the answer for CD also. What remains last is AD. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is A? 3, 4. And about B? DD 6, 1. x1 equals 3, y1 equals 4, x2 equals 6, y2 equals 1. Now just apply x2 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 1 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 3 3 square. 1 minus 3, that is minus 3 whole square. 9 plus minus 3 into minus 3 9. 18 9 into 2 3 root 2. Here AB, BC, CD and AD, which means here let's look here AB, BC, CD, AD, all the four sides. AB 3 root 2, BC 3 root 2, CD 3 root 2 and AD is 3 root 2. All sides are equal, all sides are measuring the same 3 root 2. So it is satisfying the one property of the square, that all sides are equal. Let's check the other property of the triangle, that diagonals, the property of the square is the diagonals are also equal. Let's check whether it is okay or not. So in the figure the diagonals are AC and BD, right? AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. Now let's check AC and BD. Since sides AB equals BC equals CD equals AD, that is all the four sides equal 3 root 2. Now as I said, let's check about the diagonals. The diagonals are AC and BD. Now take AC, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A means 3, 4. C means 9, 4. x1 3, y1 4, x2 9, y2 4, x2 9 minus 3 whole square plus y2 means 4 minus y1 means 4. Now 9 minus 3, that is 6 square, 4 minus 4, 0 square, it is nothing but 0, 6 square means 36, and if we remove the 36 out of the square root, we will get 6. Now let's check the other diagonal, that is BD. x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. B is 6 7 and D is 6 1. Let's try. x1 6, y1 7, x2 6, y2 1, x2 6, x1 6 plus y2 1 minus y1 6 minus 6, that is 0 square, 1 minus 7, that is minus 6 whole square, ignore 0, minus 6 into minus 6, 36. If we remove that, we will get 6. Now the diagonals AC and BD both are 6 here, that is AC equals BD, both diagonals are equal. As we observed here, all the sides are equal and both the diagonals are equal. So the main property of the square is all sides should be equal and diagonal should be equal. Here the all sides are equal, that is 3 root 2, and diagonals are equal, that is 6. So we can easily say ABCD is a square. ABCD square, and thus Champa is correct. So this is the answer. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe it. I will meet you with the next problem in the next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.